welcome to episode 3, where we're going to talk a little bit about the lifting and lowering and setting up of a caravan. Obviously we're in the driveway at the moment and I won't be doing anything major, but one of the most useful tools that I've had working with the caravan is this. It's an electric drill. It doesn't have to be like this one, it doesn't have to be an expensive one, just something that you can use and recharge if you're out on the road for a long time. This little piece here is a socket, basically with a shaft on it. You can buy these, I think they're around $17 from the shops. Simply they fit into the drill and tighten up, and use this for lowering and raising the four corners, and in my case I also use it for the motor movers because they've got to be wound on. Some of them have got like a lever that you spring them on. I fitted those and they're very good. This is just the one that I've got is a socket, and you just wind it on. Use speed 1 because it is slower, and if you go too tight and it can flick your arm up, but it's a lot quicker, as you're about to see. Now, as you can see, I've got a box down here because we're on a slope and I like the caravan to be level. I've built some little boxes which will sort of keep up, save having to put this all the way down. But to use these is just a matter of as you can see, you turn it around and back again. Well, as you could see, the drill made short work of what can be an awkward job, especially if it's raining. To dismantle, that's all there is to it, and it's so quick and easy. Store it back in the boot of the car and you're ready for next time when you unload or load the caravan up again. Another thing I'd like to talk to you about is the rear vision on a camper, or on the caravan in this case. We've got a camera, this is the rear of the caravan, and as you may be able to see, it's got a series of LEDs in there, whereas this is a night vision one as well. If I go quite close up, you may just be able to see the whole thing. And that's mounted directly above the high vision light, brake light. And it does a tremendous job, as you'll see in this next clip. As you can see, the picture is very good there and gives you a very wide view of what is behind you. Well, finally, for this particular video, I'd like to talk to you about dampness. Dampness in a caravan is not good, and as we have heard, English caravans are quite famous for having the odd damp spot in them. Most of it is caused by water entering through the seals around the windows. We've got quite a number of windows on our caravans, and usually the window, when it drops down, seals up against some rubber seals, and we've often, I suppose, gone into the caravan and found a little pool of water inside the window where it has seemingly come from nowhere. This can be avoided very simply by using a product called Fenwick's. Our Fenwick's caravan cleaner, and this is not a paid promotion. I just happened to find this product and it's worked very, very well for me. If you mix that in a little spray bottle, I use about 20% of Fenwicks, and you need either a grey Scotch-Brite or a toothbrush. You spray the liquid onto the rubber seals all the way around. Scrub it with the scrubbing brush or with the Scotch-Brite. Let it dry, just dry it off with the cloth until the black stops coming off. Basically, it's just because the rubber has got like a coating on it which forms a hard seal, and it doesn't seal up against the windows. By using the Fenwicks, it dissolves that hard surface, makes the rubber more pliable, and then if you go down to, say, Repco or Super Cheap Auto and get a medium priced silicone spray, you can apply this by either just spraying it straight onto the rubber, or you can spray it onto a rag and apply it to the rubber, making sure you rub it well in there, and then let it dry and close the windows on it, and you'll find 9 times out of 10 that will stop any of the product. While you've got the windows open, of course, open them all the way to the top. Clean around the rubbers on the outside as well. You might find that there's some green mold underneath the hinges at the top, and it's always nice to get rid of that stuff. Using the Fenwicks, of course, does make one heck of a difference, and will get rid of any black streaks or any marks there at the same time. It's not a miracle stuff, but it does work. $24–25 I think for a litre, which goes one heck of a long way. Make sure you have a look on YouTube on how to apply it. It's well worth the time and effort to get that Caravan looking very, very clean indeed. Well, that's all for this time. Thank you very much indeed for watching, and if you did happen to like the video, please press the like button, and if you would like to, press the subscribe button, and you will get a reminder every time I upload a new video. Thanks very much again. Bye for now.